Good morning everybody. Early start because I'm in a rush. I don't even have time to work on the garden today, but I have brought some bags of wood chips ready for the path. I don't have my microphone with me today, so I hope you can even hear what I'm saying. It is a bit windy as well, so as you could tell by the tops of the trees blowing a bit. But 6 weeks has not done much good for the garden. The things I really didn't want to spread have been spreading, like the brambles again, so I'm going to have to get in there and put a very thick weed barrier down in this area, as well as a very deep mulch, either of wood chips or whatever I can find. And I'll be remodeling around this place because this area is going to be where the two biggest of the cable reels are going to go, and we can use the posts from there and put other posts in on the side here, so we can during the summer have a little awning over for the children to sit around the tables under shade. They're already using that cable reel, which is lovely. Their little outdoor kitchen, the muddy play area. The grass is terrible, but I am right in this. There's a lovely little bush over there, I think Cotoneaster, I think that is. I'm not sure, I'll have a check as it grows. But in this area between the drain and that plant, I'm going to put an arch and then a winding path that goes around here. Oh, sorry, shaking again. Not very stable. But a winding path. There's drains there, so I don't want to use that as the path because it'll be slippery in the icy weather. So instead I'll make the path go around the side of the drains, and I'll put potted flowers on the drain covers. I shall wind it up again over this side and then all the way down to here, and there will be a path right the way along the growing area here so we can get to it and maintain it better. But the winding path will join up with it here and then wind up again over here, and I think I'm going to be putting a little teepee, a hazel teepee in over here, and we'll put arches along the windy path as and when where we can. I'll put one of the other small cable reels over there by the trees because these are two cherry trees, so in the summer that'll give some nice shelter there. The plants that we planted, the fig, the thornless blackberry, the apple, the josterberries, the grape over there and another josterberry over there, they all seem to be doing fine. They're surviving nicely. So I'm happy with that. They're doing well. They're perennials, they would be. The things that I'm surprised about are the sunflowers. They're still growing strong and they're finally getting flower heads. So this is pretty late in the season, but they're going to be flowering, which is great. That's lovely. Strawberries are fine, the mint is fine, the sage is fine, even the parsley and the chives, so they're doing fine, but I will put them on the drain cover next to the arch as we come in. Obviously that strawberry is waterlogged. I don't think they put holes in the bottom of that pot, so I'll just tip it on its side, let the water drain out. More sage and thyme there, they're surviving nicely. Just a lot of trimming, cutting down of the grass and the weeds and stuff, and a lot of mulching, cutting back of brambles. We'll get sorted with that. So there is a lot of work to be done. I brought all the hazel rods over there ready, and there are some tires we could use to plant some pretty winter flowers like cyclamen and, okay, maybe not cyclamen, the children might try to eat that, but pansies. They can eat the flowers on the pansies safely. So I shall put loads of pansies in little tubs along, so that even during the winter they've got some prettiness. Lavender is doing fine. There's a grass over there, I don't know what it is, just over there, but it's nice. I'll leave that in there. The buddleia needs cutting back. There's a great deal of work need doing, but hopefully we have enough dry days over the winter for me to get the bones of the garden done. Okay, I better go. I can see my grandson, he's just turned up at school, so I'm going to give him a kiss quick before I go. Bye bye all.